In this video, we will show you how to transfer crypto from MetaMask to Ledger Nano X. If you guys want to get started with MetaMask, you can use the links down in the description. First, download and install Ledger Live on your computer. Plug in your Ledger Nano X to your computer and open Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, click on Accounts and select Add Account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, click Receive to generate a deposit address for your Ledger Nano X. Verify the address on your Ledger Nano X by comparing it with the one displayed on Ledger Live. Next, open MetaMask and log into your account. Then, choose the account with the crypto you want to transfer. To send crypto, click Send. Paste the verified Ledger address into the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, complete any additional verification steps and confirm the transfer. Monitor the transaction on the blockchain until it is confirmed and the crypto appears in your Ledger Nano X. So that's how to transfer crypto from MetaMask to Ledger Nano X. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with MetaMask. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. By that being said, I'll see you in the next video.